Hi, my name is Stefan, and together with Alex and Mo, we created Grouptripper, an app to plan a trip and discover the world with friends. So what problem did we want to solve with this app? There are many trip planners out there, but the least of them concentrate on group features like inviting your friends to the trip, collaborate with them on trip planning and creation of a trip, adding stops to them, reordering the stops, and so on. And we wanted to change this. Well, let's take a look. So this is the landing page of the app, and let me just quickly log in. You see we're using Auth0 here, but this is not so much of a deal. Now we're logged in. Let's go into the planning. In this planning view, you can just choose a nice name for your trip. So I want to go have a little round trip through Spain. So I'm going to choose Spain as a country, and we want to go from 1st of September till the 5th of September. Going to the next page, we're greeted with an add stop element, and there we can just put in some city names or some hotels we want to visit or places, typing our targets in, adding them to our list, and when we're done, we can just say, okay, create trip. And here we are. After creating the trip, we automatically get redirected to the My Trips page. My Trips page holds all the trips we are invited to by other planners and the trips we planned ourselves or we already accepted to take part in. So let's take a look at the Roundtrip Spain I just planned. Here you see a list of the stops and a nice little route window, and also who's coming and some comments and a picture gallery of the stops you added to your trip. I want to invite somebody to this trip. So let's say I'll invite Alex. Send an invite. Okay, the invite has been sent. Alex, did you get my invite?
Thanks, Stefan. So let's sign in. And we'll see what I've been invited to. Diving in Thailand sounds fun, but I can't make those dates, so let's reject that one. But the trip around Spain, I'll accept that. So now it's in my list of trips, and I can take a look and see some of the details. Let's add a comment so we can collaboratively plan this trip. Let's take a look at one of the other trips. This route doesn't look ideal here, so maybe we'll edit the stops and change their order. Let's switch Cromer and Hunstanton round. And we can see the map is now automatically updated. This looks like a much more sensible route. So Grouptripper allows you to create, plan and collaborate on trips. Plans for the future include more detail around different types of stops, for instance hotels, restaurants or sightseeing, and the possibility to integrate other third-party services to manage things such as bookings. For our tech, we built our front end in React. We used quite a few libraries, but probably the most important were Tailwind and React Query. We connected to a couple of third-party APIs. Unsplash provided all of our photography, and we used OpenStreetMap for mapping, routing, and a Places API. The backend is built in Express, and we've deployed this to Heroku, and it's all connected up to a MongoDB served on the cloud using Atlas.